Unit 4 Partial Differential Equations. So in this sessions we will go through the Lagrangian linear equations. So this is a very important topic in that units. So Lagrangian linear equations, we have two types. One is method of grouping, next one is method of multipliers. Method of grouping is based on like 8 mark questions. Method of multiply is a very important topic based on the 13 mark questions. The concept is very easiest one if you know the integrations. Similarly, this is also like one of the applications based on the engineering fields here. So be careful. So Lagrangian linear equations are very important chapters. So first we shall go through the definitions of Lagrangian equations. The equations of the form PP plus QQ equal to R, known as Lagrangian equations, where PQ are the function of x, y and z. To solve the equations, it is enough to solve the subsidiary equations dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. So first we can write the equation number 1, pp plus qq equal to r. Next equation 2 is subsidiary equation is dx by p equal to dz by q equal to dz by r. Capital P, capital Q, capital R. Small p and q are the suffix here. Okay. Next, if the solutions of the subsidiary equations is of the form u of x comma y equal to c1, v of x comma y equal to c2, then the solutions of the given Lagrangian equation is pi of u comma v equal to 0. So after finding the c1 and c2, we can substitute in this form pi of uv equal to 0. So these are Lagrangian equations definitions. So first we shall go through the method of grouping. So what is method of grouping? So consider the subsidiary equation dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. Take any two members, say first two or last two, or first and last members. Whatever thing you have to choose. First we can choose first two, or last two, or first and last. Next, now consider the first two members dx by p equal to dy by q. If p and q are contains z other than x and y, try to eliminate it. Now direct integrations gives u of x comma y equal to c1. Similarly, take another two members dy by q equal to dz by r. Again, we can try to find the second two equations. We get v of y comma z equal to c2. Therefore, the solutions is of the form pi of uv equal to 0. So this is a method of grouping. So what is method of multipliers? So method of multiplier is choose any three multipliers L, M, N may be constant or function of x, y, z such that dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r equal to L dx plus m dy plus n dz whole divided by Lp plus mq plus nr. So this is a method of multipliers. So next try to eliminate the denominators Lp plus mq plus nr equal to 0. So hence we get Ldx plus mdy plus ndz equal to 0. Then we can take that one is equal to k, say. So therefore we get if Lp plus mq plus nr equal to 0, then Ldx plus mdy plus ndz equal to 0. Next, by using the integrations, we get u of x comma y comma z equal to c1. Similarly, next choose another set of multipliers Lmn. Again, try to eliminate L. Here is I can put L dash p plus m dash q plus n dash r equal to 0. Just like a notations. Here is L dx plus m dy plus n dz. Here is I can use the dash form. So try to eliminate L dx plus m dy plus n dz equal to 0. Next we can integrating that one, we get v of x comma y comma z equal to c2. Therefore the solutions is of the form pi of uv equal to 0. These are two types. One is you can using you can kept 1 equal to 2 or 2 equal to 3 or 1 equal to 3. Next we can eliminate the value, we get pi of uv equal to 0. Method of multipliers means, so this is a method of multipliers. So here is we can using multiply Lmn is the first type. Again choose another multipliers. Next integrating on both sides, we get the pi of u uv equal to 0 and pi of v of uv equal to 0, like that. Okay, I will explain in the problem here. Okay, so next, so first we can go through the method of grouping problems. So first we can take, given problem is px plus qy equal to z. So these are the form pdx, that is pp plus qq equal to r form. So p is nothing but x here, q is nothing but y, r is nothing but z here. Okay, first we have to identify. So substitute equation is dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r. So replace p, q, r value x, y, z. So how to identify means px. So this is p, qy, this is q. Then r means we can take z here. So replace the value. So first I can take first two equations, dx by x equal to dy by y. That means taking the log on both sides. So log x equal to log y. That is integrating on both sides, we get log x plus log y plus log c. Therefore I want c here, c equal to y by c. So log a plus log b is nothing but log ab. So y comma c. Therefore x by y equal to c, or u equal to x by y. So next I can take another two equations, dy by y equal to dz by z. Integrating on both sides, we get log y plus equal to log z plus log c2. So y equal to z c2. Therefore y by z equal to c2. I want v. So v equal to y by z. Don't take c1 c2. Therefore the general solution is pi of uv equal to 0. Thus replacing u and v value, we get the required solutions. So this is a Lagrangian grouping here. Next, problem number 2 is write the general integral of the form pyz plus qzx equal to xy. So what is p here? Yz. What is qzx? What is our xy? So therefore dx by yz equal to dy by zx equal to dz by xy. So first I can take these two equations, dx by yz equal to dy by zx. Here is I cancel zz, then x, cross multiplying this one, x dx equal to y dy. Then integrating on both sides, integration of x dx equal to integration of y dx. So integration of x is x square by 2 equal to integration of y is y square by 2 plus c1. Therefore c1 equal to x square minus y square. We can take this one is u. Next I can take another two equations. So dy by zx equal to dz by xy. Cancelling x here, then cross multiplying this one, y dx equal to z dz. Therefore y square by 2 equal to z square by 2, integrating on both sides. Therefore c2 equal to y square minus z square. So therefore this is a u, this is a v. Therefore pi of uv is 0. X square minus y square, y square minus z square equal to 0. So this is the second problem. If you have any doubt means we can ask. Okay. Then the third one is we can use in two methods. Here is method of multiply is also applicable, or method of grouping also applicable. Okay. So I can use in the method of multipliers. So it's like easiest to one here. Okay. So I will tell in the method of multipliers. Here is already I told. I will tell the just the procedure here. So choose any three multipliers L, M, N, which may be contains or function of x, y, z. We have dx by p equal to dy by q equal to dz by r equal to L dx plus M dy plus N dz whole divided by Lp plus Mq plus Nr. So these are general equations. So first we can choose Lmn any value, we get u value. Next again I can choose Lmn is any arbitrary value or function of x and y, whatever thing you have to choose, we get another Lmn value. So we get u and v, therefore pi of uv equal to 0. So the main thing is try to eliminate the denominator must be equal to 0. So then after we get numerator equal to 0. So this is an important thing here. This one is explaining the problem here. So problem is very important one, the method of multipliers. So be careful here. Okay. So I will explain one by one in the based on the problem. Okay. So we will continue the next sessions. Thank you.